Yeah, when stuff be this like low on price, I be like, damn, bro. I be like, damn, they're trying to get my ass.
Up in the Coco Cabana, go bitch, you know I've been better. My hubby so handsome, out and ransom. Up in the Coco Cabana, go bitch, you know I've been better. My hubby so handsome.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy. I am coming at you with a new video, and this video is just going to be on some hair that I received from a company called BRENNAS HAIR. I'm going to show y'all the packaging. Here's the packaging right here or whatever, and we're just going to get some scissors and open it up. I left the packaging on there because I didn't want y'all to think like, oh, she probably did something to the hair, you know. People get out of control these days. So this is the packaging right here. It came very nice, actually. I thought it was gonna come like the bundles just thrown in there, but okay, show that love. It got a nice little silk bag. You know, you can put your hair back in here if you ain't using it all. If you ain't using it yet, put it in there. So we just gonna do this and open the hair or whatever. I know this is not my normal little setup because I'm actually got a lot going on. I got makeup everywhere. So I'm just going to do the video like this, you guys. I received 3 bundles and a pair of lashes, and it has 30 on there. I'm guessing that's the name of the lashes. This is what they look like. They're very natural looking. Like you can just wear those like some everyday, or if you're a person who don't like thick lashes or whatever. That's it, sis. And I'm one of them people. Like, I have my days where I want to wear, like, you know, certain lashes for certain looks. And on a natural look, those will be it. So thank you, Brenna. Also, here are the 3 bundles. This is the 14-inch, and it kind of like went down or whatever in the bag, as y'all can see. I did not open it. I'm gonna get my scissors and open it now. Yes, this hair is soft, y'all. I'm not experiencing no shedding. Hallelujah. And these bundles are like soft, y'all. Okay, okay. And like, look at this width. This is what your wealth's supposed to look like. Let me zoom in. This is what your wealth is supposed to be looking like on these bundles. You say you sell some bundles. This is what they're supposed to. Look how thick this is. This is just the 14-inch. This look like a 14, y'all. It's true to length. It kind of look like it's more than a 14, to be honest with you. Now let's open this 16-inch. I'm cutting it open. I have not opened it yet. Y'all. No shedding. They give you a nice amount of hair on this. And then these wefts are... Y'all already know me. Y'all know me. I'm finna be all up on the gram. All up on the Twitter and the Facebook. Whoop, 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 whoop. Whoop, 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 shaking it in these bundles, okay? I am so amazed. This hair is nice. It's silky. This is the 18-inch. Even the 18-inch got a thick weft. Like, you get some hair for your bang, baby. You getting some hair for your buck. Look at this. Look at that. You see that? You see that? So I got a 14, 16, and 18-inch bundle from them and some lashes. And I have not experienced, this is all of them together. No shedding, baby. None. And we're not just hyping up, baby. This is real deal, 100% virgin hair. It has that little hair scent, but it don't have like no harsh scent. You know what I'm saying? Like some of these companies is, I don't know if y'all know. I don't know, but some of these companies' hair be stanky. This is not at all. Come the F through, okay? Come through. I'm so shocked. And this pretty little bag they put it in. You know what I'm saying? This pretty little bag. Also, it came with like a little paper. This is BRENNAS Hair Company. And it has all the little models up there. Tells you you can order your hair from BRENNASHAIR.com. It's showing you different versions of Brenna's hair and how they get down in the department, I guess. And then here it's telling you the hair care right here. Here's the hair care, telling you how to wash, comb, and take care of your hair. Awesome. And it's showing you like different hair that they have. I like them wigs. Okay, I'm gonna wash it and do all the conditioning to it and everything, and I'm gonna make me a cute little wig, and that will be on my next video. So I just want to say thank you, Brenna, for this hair. I love this hair already, and I have not even put it in my damn head. Who? Not me. When? Where? Nah. And I feel like it has the little dents or whatever in it, because, you know, in the packaging, the way it has it or whatever in this plastic, it was kind of sliding down. So coming from overseas or wherever, you know, and slid down like that. So that's why I got the dent. 14, 16, and 18 straight hair. And also these are the wefts. Give y'all them wefts. Like, you gonna sell some bonuses, make sure your wefts look like this or better. These are the wefts. Do y'all see these wefts? This is how much track hair you get on her. And it's not gonna be heavy. Like, it's thick and it's not gonna be heavy, y'all. I recommend them. Y'all gonna be thanking me later. Okay, I will leave all their information down below so y'all can purchase if y'all want to. Like, they are very affordable, you guys. Like, I was looking at their Instagram the other day. They had a blonde full lace wig for under $100. They be doing like sales and all of that. Like, y'all better go get y'all some. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't say I ain't warned y'all. Just say I sent y'all. For real. But no, y'all better go get y'all some bundles. Look at this. Who ain't finna be fly? Baby, y'all not finna be able to tell me nothing when I make this wig tomorrow. Who ain't finna be telling me nothing? You, and guess who else? You. Not even Brenna gonna be able to tell me nothing. Brenna's hair not gonna be able to tell me nothing. Okay? Y'all better get with it. Y'all ain't gonna be able to keep me off the ground. Speaking of which, go ahead and follow your girl on all her social platforms that will be listed down below. Like and follow my page on Facebook. It is Chrissy Daily. Also follow me on all my other social networks, Twitter and Instagram at _Chrissy Daily, and add me on Snapchat at Chrissy Daily. If you do forget that, then it will be listed below in the description box, like I said before. Also, comment down below all of your thoughts if you have used this hair before. If you are new, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and join the Extra as Fuck Squad, because you know we get very extra. Nothing's too extra. If you're returning, you know I'm happy to see you. I'm always happy to see y'all. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a like, a thumbs up. Give this video a like and a thumbs up, you guys. Like, if you like these videos, these review videos and hair videos and makeup videos and lifestyle videos and vlogs, give these videos a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel down below if you are new. Join the Extra as Fuck Squad, because we get live, you know what I'm saying? And also, I'll see you guys in my next video.